I'm Farai, and this is my code lab. Today we're continuing on with CTCI. Yesterday I fluked the question, one away, overcomplicating things instead of just trying the simplest thing first, but hopefully we can rectify this with 1.6. No, 1.7. I did 1.6 the other day, which is to rotate a matrix. We're given an image represented by n, where each pixel in the image is 4 bytes. Write a method to rotate the image 90 degrees. Can it be done in place? Yes, it indeed can. I've been thinking about this question for some reason. Yeah, sorry, my mom was calling me about visa things yesterday because I got a visa to go to the US. Took me 3 hours of waiting. I don't know why, but looks like I'll get the visa. I don't know when I'll actually go. I was planning next month, but I don't know if I'll afford it by then. But yeah, let's get to it. So, to show it, so if you have, man, it's response time. E, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. If this was rotated, then you'd have A, B, C, D, then H, L, P, then O, N, M, P, L, M, then M, then I, E, yeah, so then this would just be F, G, F, G, then F, G, then, wait, so that goes here, that goes, K, J, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P. So yeah, that's rotated. As for a strategy, I'm thinking, it's quite hot these days. My room is just hotter for some reason. So yeah, that's rotated. So thinking the strategy is just to loop layers. Like the simplest would just be A, B, C, D, like we did. And then you just have the curl row, right? Is one. And then if one, you just increment that up to the median point. Since, yeah, just stopping at the median. Because like what we did was we moved that here, there, 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 there. There, then so I'm just wondering, how will you like crawl across? But you can like switch positions. Yeah. So this one, it's kind of hard to implement. I'm trying to see how. So let me try and solve a simpler one. So let's do 1, 2, 3, 4. If I was to rotate that, that would just be 1, 2, 3, 4. 90 degrees. No. 90 degrees. So Oh yeah, that is 90 degrees. I can't really rotate my iPad to like see. Can't wait. Actually, yeah, I can rotate my iPad because then it'll just. No, I messed up. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ish. Oh yeah. My bad. Just 3 and 4. Right. If I was to rotate 90 degrees, and you're looking 90 degrees, and you're looking at the screen, you'll see that it has been rotated 90 degrees. So, the goal is to try and like put this into code. So if we had function rotate, why is that in brackets? Function rotate matrix, and then this is our m, which is m by m. It's not, that's their problem. Okay, so it's just a matter of switching. So then, yeah, let's try and go like outside in, really. So it would just be like that goes here, that goes here, that goes here, that goes here, and yeah, it's a circle of, I'm not singing that, I'm not being DMCA'd, but yeah, it's life circle. Try DMCA that, Disney. So yeah, just going that on the outside, and then there, go there, it goes there, that goes there, and that goes there, and that goes there. Right? Okay, so what if we had like 5 things? Right? So we go A, B. Oh, no. Let's do 3 things. G, E, F, G, H, I. So yeah, we can just go up to the. You need to go up to the midpoint. Yes. We loop up to the midpoint. So that goes here. That goes here. That goes here. That goes here. And then finally, that goes here. That goes here. No. That goes there. That goes there. There, and this goes here. Right? And the thing in the middle just stays there. So, see, I'm going outside up till the midpoint. So, how would I do this? So, okay, mid is equal to, it's a middle element, so that'll be 0 and 2, so the middle one will be 1. So M0 dot M dot length right? Oh, no, not m dot length, over 2. So that's half. Yeah, so m dot length of 2. So 3 over 2 should be 1.5. 4. 1. But then, should it just be ceiling instead? What's the middle? Yeah, it shouldn't be floor. Because what if it's 2? And the midpoint is 1, which is minus 1. 1. 1, which is 0. So ceiling. Should we just use ceiling? Yeah. Math dot ceiling. So 5 over 2 is 2.5. Right? So that goes up to 3, minus 1 is 0, 2, so 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then minus 1. That will be my midpoint. Then, we're doing it for those many rows. Oh yeah, so this midpoint, what am I thinking? Alright, let me just try and explain what I'm thinking so far. I'm sorry, I'm being a bit confused. So, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. In essence, we want to do M I, you want to make it equal m dot length minus I minus 1, right? So m0, so 0, 1, 2, 3 would be equal to 2 minus 1. What? Oh yeah, I don't think the minus 1 is necessary. Is m dot length minus 1, so m0 is going to now become go up to the midpoint. Oh, okay. Since this is square, m0 is m0 is equal to m dot length 2 minus 1, so 1, right? And then, so we need 4 things. Really? Yeah, 4 things, right? For the 4, because you have 4 corners, you're gonna switch it 1, 2, 3, 4, right? That's the thing. Sorry, I'm really not explaining myself well. I guess that's a training. Why I'm doing this, right? Okay, so why do I want the midpoint? Is that I'm trying to find a place to stop. So the idea is 1, 2. Let's go A, B, C, and D. Right? This is at 0, 1, 2, 3. right? So in our sequence, I think for each row, so you're going to loop up to, so for each row, so for, not sure how to explain this, but okay, because the idea is we're going to move that there, that there, that there, that there, right? So I'm trying to find a way to generalize this, which would just be let's just do corners. So P and 0. So we keep our corners. So P0, P1, P2, P3, right? So then that would be A, B, C, and D, right? Those are each at our corners. So now we're like trying to switch things around. So, no. This is a bad way of like naming the cells. So let's do 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, and 0, 1. All right. Yeah. 1 and that, right? So 0, 0, A, 0, 1, B, 1, 0, C, and no, 1, 1. One is D, right? So we just need a way of storing the values, right? Then what we're going, since they're just 4 points, I don't think you need any clever loops and stuff. So we'll do M0 is equal to the M0 0 is equal M00 is equal to whatever was at C, right? Which is the same as M, then len len 2 minus I. So the midpoint is that. So, okay. So, yeah, is equal to that. So, I'm so bad at explaining, man. Okay, 4 row is equal to 0. Doesn't matter. Row is less than or equal to mid, and then row plus. Then I think I'll just save all the points, which is A, B, C, D. So A is equal to M row yeah, right? And then B is equal to M row M dot length minus row. C is equal to M man, why am I indexing like this, bro? Dang, you index like that? Yes, I do. Row M row no M M dot length minus row, right? And yeah, so you're going into that row and then M dot length minus row, and then D is M row M dot length minus the length minus row, right? Then you like fill in things. So yeah, I think I can just clear this up. No, I can't. M row is equal to what was that? That was C M row and length minus row. This is B is equal to what was it? A now, then M row and length minus row. And it's 3, which is down there, and length minus row is equal to B, and then M length minus row, then row, and then that's D. And then, does it say return anything? Yeah, return true since it's void. Then return true. Okay, so let's see if that makes sense. So let's get our row here. So it's A, B, C, and D. So our midpoint is 2 divided by 2, which equals to 1, right? Minus 1 is equal to 0. So our midpoint is 0. So we're going to up to, but not 0, right? So that means that, so this is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, right? So A should be equal to M 0, 0, so A, yeah. B should be equal to row, so 0, and then the length 2. Oh my goodness. Shit. Plus 1? Can I get away with the plus 1, folk? Will the plus 1 help me here? Minus 1. just hope it will help me. I do -1. Yeah, I hope it helps me, because row is 0, and then 2, -1, and then -1. And then that would be B, C, M2, -1, -1, 2 minus C. Whoa, 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 whoa. Jeez, yeah. Indeed. Ah, shit. Okay, this is bad. Oh wow, it's so light. Oh, it was a pencil, that's why. D and C. M row, that was A. That will be C. M row. Then length minus row. You know what? Let me actually get rid of all this and try again. I think I'll have to save it as something else, which isn't confusing. So, do you see what I'm trying to do? Is there are only 4 points I care about in each loop up to the midpoint. Otherwise, I'm just going to be rotating twice instead of once. No, thrice instead of once. So, So, yeah, I think the part about the midpoint, okay, so all right. So, the midpoint, okay, yeah, so that up to the midpoint is fine, right? I really want to succeed. So our A, right, is equal to our row. So M row, and let me make a variable called prime. So prime is equal to, is it prime or complement? Let's see, is there a difference between prime and complement? Let's call it complement. Right, is equal to m dot length minus the row, the current row, so it will be like 2 minus 1. Yes. Actually, what I did before was right. So, okay, so that's a comp. A is equal to M row. B is equal to M row. Shit. That was the issue, -1. Because the midpoint is 0, not 1. Okay, yeah. So, and then comp. Right? And then C is M row M comp row. Right, and then D is equal to M comp. Right, so now we need to fill those cells. So So that means M row is equal to C. M row is equal row comp equal to A, and M row comp row is equal to D. No, not D. Comp row. So A, B, C, D. Row is there. Row comp is there. Shit! I did it again. Comp row. Okay, so comp row C is D. Yeah. Then M comp is equal to B, right? And then you return true. So to make things interesting, let's use a 3x3, which will give us A, B, as a test. So we got A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Okay, so to rotate, let's call it 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, and 2, 0, 1, 2, 2. Okay? So, what's the midpoint here? Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no shit. I realized I was thinking about this all wrong. Shit. So the midpoint is 3 divided by 2. So 2 minus 1, it's 1. 3 over 2 is 1.5, which bumps up to 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. It's our midpoint. So, our first iteration, we got A. A is M row, so 0, 0. So, A is M 0, 0. It'll be 0. So we're going all the way up to 1. So A 0, 0. So that's A. B would be oh crap. Okay, B row A comp. So that will be 3. Our complement is 3 minus 0 minus 1, which is 2, which is C, right? So B will be C, and then C will be comp row, which is this 2, 0, 2, 0, which is G, and D would be comp, which is I. Then you switch them around, so M rho will be equal to C, which is G, and then M rho comp will be A, then M comp rho M rho, so that's 0, 2, yeah, and then M2, 0, then M2, 0, M2, 0 will be D. What the hell? No, it's I. Yeah. I. And then M22 will be what's in B, which is C, right? Which is rotated. So that's correct. Then we go into 1. And then our complement is now 3, 1, 1. Our complement is 1. So now our complement is now 1, right? So then our A is equal to 1, 1, right? A is 1, 1, which is... Oh, hell no. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Oh, my goodness. M rho. It's now 1. No, I think this can work. Rho 1. Rho 1, 1. Ah, damn it. 1, 1 is right. Oh, wait, no. Okay, minus. Damn it. Really flunking this now. 3 minus 1. Minus 1, which will give us 1. Rho is not 1. Then rho is 1, 1, which is here. Shit. And then where am I moving it? 1, 1. And then that means... That means... You're just going to be in the same damn place. What would change if we made it conditional and we only subtract 1? And will this solve? So that'll be 3 minus 1. That'll be 2, which is the Oh, shoot. Oh my goodness. This is 1, 1 is 0. Wait. 1. Oh my goodness. I fudged it. Okay, took time. So, hint number 51. Try thinking about layer by layer. Can you rotate a specific layer? Then 100 is rotating a layer means swapping the values in the 4 arrays. If we're asked to swap the value in 2 arrays, can you do this? Yes. Because the goal is to go like, if you think of it like 1, 2, 3, 4, you're going like that. Then 3 by 3 is still like, because you're moving this array over here. Okay. Okay, so I think that tip about array shifting is very helpful. Because let's see A, B, C, and D, right? So in essence, we have 2 arrays. The goal is to move that array down here, so that will be A and B, right? Shoot. Maybe I think the thing with the midpoint made sense. Man. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Wait, will fixing this condition help? Because if row is not equal to 0, we could just minus 1. We don't need to minus 1, because then you have 3 minus 1, which is 2. So then you would have row 2, 2, which is here, right? That's 2, 2. 2. Zero, 0, 0, 1, 0, 2, 0, 1, 1, 2, 2, 0, 2, 1, 2, 2. So, oh, that's a pencil. Okay, so 2, 2. Shit. No. Row is 1, 1. Oh, no. 3 minus 1. It's 2. No, shit. The row is 1. Right? So it's 1, 1. No. Oh, fuck. Shit. Actually, because row is now 1, right? 1, 1 is here, but we don't want that 1, 1. Okay, so we're going. You need another loop here, right? Row equals mid. Okay. Shit. Okay. Now I'm thinking we need a loop now, right? So, 10 minutes to make this work. All right? An inner loop. So, to do that, this is going to be confusing as hell, but let's call it call. So for call is equal to your row, right? Then row, then call is less than equal to mid, because it's A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I. Right? So then, like, the row is 0. Mid plus 1. Zero. Okay, so then row is equal to 0. I'm running out of time here, but A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, right? And then, right? That's that. Then, wait, I can actually do the same thing. Maybe. Okay, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, right? Then, call, then row, call, equal to mid, call plus. So now this would be n squared, right? So less than or equal to mid, because less than or equal to mid. Okay, so if 0 Right? So then if rho is 0, A is equal to M rho is 0 core, and if it's 1, honestly I give up. This is another fail. Pretty bad streak.